Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Dream Atlantis by Dream Developers located in Kalyan West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, beside which is the actual land parcel. You can also see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. We'll also show you the actual land parcel, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this over here is the actual land parcel of the project. You can see the construction is already begun. You can also see the construction of the project's commercial tower is also started. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3 acres that has 2 towers, 1 residential and 1 commercial. Talking about the residential tower, it has ground plus 45 story having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Also Jodi options are available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located opposite to Vasant Valley D-Mart, Khadakpara, Kalyan West, from where D-Mart is at a distance of 100 meters, Kalyan railway station is at a distance of 2 kilometers, Ring Road is at a distance of 1 minute, Bhivanti Highway is at a distance of 2 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, pet park, banquet hall, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 895 and 959 square feet, 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1414 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 2140 square feet. Also for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Dream Atlantis by Dream Developers located in Kalyan West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.